Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like cryptocurrency? Do you like DeFi or decentralized finances? Then you will like this video because we'll be talking about Synapse Network, a new interesting project or a new interesting concept in the market, over bridging everything and linking everything together in one place in a very organized manner. We will go through it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is only for educational purposes. It is not a financial advice, and as usual, everything is linked down below in the description. Feel free to check it out, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the platform, Synapse. What's going on here and what's this whole project all about? Well, when you look at the platform, you'll find it is currently neat and organized and everything in place. But let's scroll down and see what's the whole idea. Simply speaking here, the idea is just overbridging or making kind of an arrangement between the mainstream crypto financial systems or crypto financial services in one place in a very organized manner to make your life easier and more secure and give you more investment options. So let's go here and see and explain what's going on and why you should consider such a project. As you can see here, join the Synapse revolution and create your own opportunities, meaning that you can create your own opportunity thanks to Synapse optimized DeFi protocols and taking the step-by-step into the world of crypto investment. Here you can start, of course, you can start getting into the platform itself, but generally speaking, it's kind of getting into the DeFi, decentralized finances, and it's organizing it in a very nice and more optimal way, I would say. And you can see here many big names in the market. You can see Binance, you can see Huobi, you can see Polygon, you can see Kronos, many major names, like we're talking about Solana, even it's big names in the market, all under the umbrella of just decentralized finances. And this project is very interesting because it will let you choose your own network when it comes to investment. So you don't have to pay additional fees, you don't have to wait for longer time for transactions. So here, this will be cutting all the nonsense or all the costs, the additional costs that you can bear if you're using, for instance, Ethereum, you know, the gas fees, all that blah, blah, blah things. Gas fees can sometimes be even more than the transaction you're trying to do. So here you can have all of that without all the downwards of using such a network, for instance. So over here, you can explore the DeFi with Synapse expertise in the cross-chain. Cross-chain meaning that they're crossing and overbridging between different protocols or different networks. Here you can have some numbers and figures: 600K active people in community, 37 participating projects so far, 15 million fundraise for the projects, and 2% acceptance rate for now. By the way, 2% is quite high, given that the cryptocurrency space is still at the very, very, very beginning in its journey. So I would say that's a very high number. Bitcoin itself once was probably even less than 1% acceptance rate. So I would say 2% at the very start. That's a great start over here. Technology labs, what's going on here? While Synapse has already proven the power behind its launchpad and its cross-chain technology, the network array of project has just begun to show its versatility. Now you can see here Web3 apps, you can find DeFi platforms or DeFi projects, and you can find play to earn, P2E, venture capital, token as service, anti-bot, staking, vesting, cross-chain, launchpad, smart contract, and NFT, apps as well, decentralized apps, and custom development. So everything you can imagine in the cryptocurrency space, every single project with every single protocol or network, you can find it here, and you can find it interconnecting with everything else in a very harmonized and organized manner. Here, of course, you can check more products and see, you can see what's going on. And as you scroll down, you'll find that Synapse versus VC fund or venture capital fund. Here, it's ready to unveil another pillar of the network experience, how the most stable and efficient aspects of the mainstream finance will melt into the blockchain technology. You know, I mean, if you've been watching the news for a while, you know that things in the whole entire planet not really going well in terms of finances. The financial situation is just heading towards a depression. So many people are thinking about starting investing in certain cryptocurrency related project or blockchain related projects. So I would say if you're one of these people, and you should start thinking about investing and not leaving your money aside, but you have to be a bit careful with your investment. So I would say check the link down below, get yourself more informed. Even if you're complete newbie, you will find that things are easy to understand and you can easily follow up on what's going on. Probably it will take you some few minutes or so, and then you will grasp the whole idea. So I would say give yourself a go and invest your time wisely in reading and informing yourself more before you leave your money lying around in the bank or before you invest it in anything. But I would say give it a go here and see what's the idea and what's the whole concept and the whole vision behind such a thing. Here you can have a look here at the Synapse Network. Quite simply speaking here, that's the revolution, combining the best elements of mainstream finance with the best elements of blockchain technology. I would say that's a 360-degree cross-chain investment ecosystem. So you can just, as I told you, you can invest in anything, anytime, anywhere, in a very easy manner. So connectivity here, you will find that it's a center of the new DeFi revolution, and you can connect with major networks thanks to the powerful cross-chain technology. As I told you, you can connect to different networks in the market. You can choose the network, you can choose the project, you can choose whatever you want, and you can find it here, and you can find it well connected, and everything is harmonized. So I would say give that a go. And if you want to save or cut some costs, you can also use such a project. And stability here, so we're talking about stability. It's taking the best stability of the mainstream finance and also that blockchain stability. Blockchain is very stable because it's kind of distributed on computers, people's computers, or miners, or people contributing to the blockchain all over the planet. So it's not really a centralized system, it's a decentralized system. So here, accessibility, that will give you no barrier for entry to the cryptocurrency space. So you don't have any kind of hurdles along the way. You can just jump in and start investing, and it will be an easy and smooth ride with many multiple payment systems or payment method. And you can also have a look at why you should invest with Synapse. Well, maximizing funding for maximum gains, meaning you can have your fundings put in the right project or put in the right area for maximum gains. And as I told you, you can cut the costs, you can cut network costs, you can cut transactional costs, you can cut many costs along the way. So that's one of the main reasons actually to use such a project. Security is a big issue right now. I mean, you might have heard about many breaches, security breaches here and there. So here they are taking security at the utmost care, and they are putting it as priority number one. It's in a very efficient manner of security here, and they are working even to tighten the security even more daily. So I would say that the security here will give you a peace of mind that your investment is in a good hand and in a good place. And you can also have guaranteed allocation for guaranteed investments. And it's the fee era is over, as I told you here. Once you have a look here at the fee-based transactions, that's a problem of the past. Many people, if you've been already in crypto for a while, you know the story about getting your transactional fees. Sometimes it even exceeded or surpassed the amount of money you want to send. So that was just insane, and it's not acceptable. So that's why you should start looking for alternatives. And here you can find many people working on such a project. As you can see here, that's a CEO, that's a CEO, that's a CEO, and that's a CMO. And you can have a look at how many people are giving testimonials. And here, that's the team. You can find them also on LinkedIn. So these are real people working real jobs, and they have someone having over 20 years of experience in tech, someone having over 15, 10 years, 6 years. I mean, you can find that these people actually are knowing what they're doing, and they're putting effort in such a good idea. And it's not just like a project coming out of nowhere. No, they are putting a good concept in application, and people can actually benefit from such a thing. As you scroll down here, you will find many collaborations and media channels as well. So let's have a look at their Twitter. Twitter is a good indication for me personally to show how the project is going, how kind of people are interacting with the project. And here you'll find that the community is quite decent. Actually, it's way more than decent. It's nearly touching 3,000 followers, and you will find that people here are quite interactive. Many people are retweeting, many people are kind of commenting, and they're just talking with each other, kind of commenting on the latest news, Elon Musk buying Twitter or Ethereum's merge. So you will find that many people are just getting more and more into the project. And whenever you have any question, you can just ask people from the community, or you can just ask around, and people will be more than happy to answer your questions. So that's what's going on here as a project. So that's the about or the overview of what's going on. You can have a look here, and you can have the whole Synapse network on your agenda, I would say. And here you can read more about the challenges they are facing and how they are looking to solve such problems in the near future. And here you can have also some metrics, and the next sale will be announced. That's to be announced. And here they have their native coin, that's SNP. You can buy it on PancakeSwap. You can buy it on also on major DeFi exchanges, so you can quickly buy it or you can quickly swap some coins for the SNP. And also here, that's the technology lab. You can read more about the antibot, you can read more about the launchpad, you can read more about every detail they're claiming, so you can have everything in a very organized manner. And you, before you start investing or before you start getting excited about the idea, you can have all the basic information about every single aspect of this project. And I would say, in my own humble opinion, of course I'm not a financial advisor, but in my own humble opinion, I do believe that such a project, when it kind of overbridges everything and makes everything more harmonized and more useful for the user experience, I would say that's a recipe for success. And I would highly encourage you to check it down below and give yourself the information you need and give yourself an opportunity to explore such potential for a project. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Synapse Network and all the advantages and all the major changes and ideas it's bringing to the market. So I would say give it a go, inform yourself more, check the links down below. The more information you have, the more decisive, good decisions you will make. I mean, the market is moving fast and decentralized finances are a hot topic for quite some time now. But here, this project with the vision they have is going to be the next level. So I would say give it a go, see what's going on and inform yourself more. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section below. And till next one, bye-bye.